Okay guys, so have I got something for you today? Now if you don't know, Vercel have just launched Skills.sh. This is a pretty intelligent thing for them to do. This is basically just a list of all the skills. However, what I really want to show you isn't necessarily this, but it's this trending 24 hours. So the fact that Remotion best practices is number one here shows me that this is an extremely effective way to find interesting skills. So a lot of people, one of the main things that they struggle with is finding good skills or, whatever it might be with AI. So, again, shout out to Vercel for this. This is pretty smart, to be honest with you, to release this. But there's some pretty interesting things here. So we have the Remotion best practices, which if you don't know, I made a video about this recently. It's absolutely exploding on Twitter. Or I still call it Twitter. I can't call it X. I don't know what it is in my head. It just, for me, it's Twitter. It always will be. But really, really interesting. Like, obviously, there's all this bullshit here. Like, my Claude bot is making me 10k in passive income. How is this free? Doubt it. Like, really doubt it, bro. But press X to doubt. But if I go here and I type Remotion. Hey guys, before continuing, a quick word from our sponsor, me. HarborSEO.ai is currently free. It's version 2. I've worked on it for months and months now, and the thing is 100 times more powerful than it was, with updates to the writer, researcher, linker, scout, which is a new thing, and also featured images using Nano Banana. Also, a very, very nice new feature is the link bait builder, which can get you thousands of backlinks and traffic to specific pages. And if you need a little bit more help with SEO, you can also claim a 50% offer for backlinks by using half price links. And you can see here, you can get 50% off the first 3 months of a manual link building campaign. Thanks for the attention. Let's jump back into things. This is really, really interesting. This has been absolutely exploding on Twitter, and the things that people are making just with prompting plus Remotion is crazy. It's always crypto. I don't know what it is with AI and crypto. There's something about AI and crypto. I think it's because they're like what's the word? Ubiquitous. God, I really need to start reading again, guys. I'm becoming a bit of an idiot. Ubiquitous. How do you even say that? Ubiquitous. Ubiquitous. Jesus Christ. I need to stop using AI so much and start reading again. Holy shit, I'm becoming a moron. Anyway, I think there's something to do with AI and crypto that makes them, whatever that word just was, ubiquitous. But yeah, super, super interesting. Just ignore the crypto thing right now. Just have a look for a second. The things that people are making, absolutely crazy. I made this launch video with one prompt. AI is going to replace us. I hate X. I hate Twitter. Honestly, God, I hate it. But this is super impressive. Damn, look at the quality here. So I've always wanted to be able to make these, right? These motion graphics. The reason being is they do really well on X, right? Like this has 550,000 views. Made this video with launch video with just one prompt. A is going to replace this part 2. Sure. Just really, really nice. Video editors and motion designers are cooked. This AI agent made this video in 10 minutes, only did 2 changes. I love how Remotion did this animation. Prompt is in the comments. Again, is that crypto? It's always crypto. Yeah, I mean, this is super, super interesting. So, you know, as these things become more and more popular, one of the ways that you can keep on top of these things are something like Skills.sh. Another example of this would be Context 7, right? It's all people it's all big companies thinking of ways of driving more and more traffic to their websites. Like there'll be a link here to Vercel, I'm guessing, somewhere. Maybe not. They've got infinite scroll, which is pretty cool. There must be a link to Vercel. Yeah, okay. So they've got a link to Vercel. This is actually link bait / SEO bait. They're not doing this for the good of humanity. Do you know what I mean? Like it's a business trying to make money at the end of the day. But this gives us a lot to think about because number one, super, super interesting, and it gives us a place to find all of our skills. But number two, it might give you some marketing ideas for your own use. Like if, I'm running HarborSEO.ai, maybe I could think of something as well that could be link bait and also traffic bait to bring people to Harbor, right? Just kind of what these videos could be seen as by some people, I guess, as well. But yeah, it's super interesting stuff. So we also have a hot section, so browser use, front end design. Browser use skill, so the really interesting thing, and I've talked about this recently as well, if you've seen The Matrix, when he needs to learn how to drive a helicopter, they install the knowledge of how to drive a helicopter. That's how you should start viewing skills, because it's the same thing. You're literally plugging in a skill to your AI, right? So let's just take this one here, Remotion best practices. All you do is you just press copy here, and then you just go to wherever you're prompting Claude or whoever you're prompting, right? So let's actually try this with anti-gravity, because I'm curious to see how this would work with anti-gravity, for example. So let's just open up anti-gravity instead, because I haven't done this with anti-gravity yet. So do File, New Window, Open Folder, New Folder, Skills.sh, Open, Terminal, New Terminal, and then run this command. And then we'll be able to actually see what it adds as well. So the cool thing is they can update this at any time. So if the skill updates, beautiful, look at that. Really nice, actually. So let's say agent, sorry, what is this? Anti-gravity? I forgot what it was for a second. Installation, sure. Symlink, received installation, yes. There we go. Okay, so it just makes all of them. Well, what's the point? Why? I specifically said this one. Anyway, okay, so let's see if anti-gravity can make us a video, right? We'll use Gemini 3 Flash. I'm going to say use the Remotion skill. Oh, there's been an update as well. Okay, it's just literally performance improvements for long conversations. I don't really care about that. So use the Remotion skill to make me a motion graphic to advertise my product, HarborSEO.ai. Look it up on Google, etc. first. Bang. And then let's see if it actually uses the skill. Okay, analyze skill.md. It did use the skill. Perfect. Sometimes it doesn't. So you got to be careful with that stuff, honestly. Okay, so it seems to be pretty much done. That was very fast. I think it might have even got my assets somehow. No, maybe not. But yeah, I'm just curious to see what this does. So it says CD Harbor Motion and then npm start. Okay, so this is what it created. It's pretty basic. It didn't even get my image, which it could have easily got my logo. I think anti-gravity Gemini 3 Flash is extremely lazy. But I mean, it's done what I asked it to. It's just not particularly good. What I'll do is I'll just quickly prompt it one more time. Okay, so just in case this works well and people want to use the prompt I use, I said get my logo from my site using Gina, use my colors and stuff and make this 10,000 times better. This is the most boring thing I've ever seen. Read the rules inside the .agent. It didn't understand what that meant, so I just right-clicked on rules here and just do copy path and then just sent that path to the agent. Okay, so let's see what the final result is here. I don't know if this is, okay, it's got the logo, that's nice. Harbor, This is better, this is better. We could probably add music here as well. This is getting all of the stuff directly from Harbor's website. I still think it's a bit boring, to be honest with you. Like, it's not good compared to all of the ones that you can see online. But I still think this is much better. This is more of an ad, right? To be honest. But yeah, I still think this could be much better, but you know, this is for you guys to experiment. This is also not the point of the video. The point of the video is that you can just find any skills you want, and particularly what's trending. Now, obviously, what's trending isn't necessarily what's good, but it can be. So for example, Remotion right now is popping off on X. I've used it. It's something new. It's something that people didn't really know about before, and it's really good. UI UX Pro Max, another one that I can attest to, is very good. People love it. So just consider that not everything in the trending is good, but there will be some absolute gems here. And from now on, this is where I'm going to be looking basically every single day to find good skills. I'm just going to quickly look at this. Programmatic SEO. You're an expert in programmatic SEO, building SEO, optimized pages at scale, templates and data. Okay, interesting. So this could be very, yeah. This is good, guys. I'm telling you, this is an interesting skill. Definitely check this out. I'll leave the video there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, as usual, you're an absolute legend. And I will see you very soon with some more content. Peace out.